Hello and welcome to Kalin's PDF Creation Station WordPress plugin demo video for the Tools page. Now, the Tools page is where you can go to create larger PDF files compiled from multiple pages and posts from your website. So, this is the page here. Now, to get started is actually there's a lot of different options here, but to just start up and create a PDF file is pretty easy actually. You just start up here at the very top and you find the pages and posts that you want to add to your PDF. You can do that. You can come up here and filter and order. You can do this to the title, date, type, or statuses of your posts in order to help you find exactly the page or post that you're looking for. So let's just add a few of these guys. Next, you come down here and you see in the second section you have My Document. This is the list of posts and pages that you have selected. You can click here to drag and drop to reorder them in the final document, or if you don't want them, of course, you can come over here and hit the remove button. And that is pretty much all you need to do before you're ready to create your first document. So next, you come down here to our main section and you simply click Create Documents. And then you wait the 5 to 10 seconds that it takes for your server to compile. And file successfully created. And we come down here. In this section, you have your list of existing files. You can click on the file and see that it properly created. This first page is our title page, obviously. This here is our table of contents, complete with page numbers and links. And here we see our pages that we added, and down at the bottom here is our final page. And that is pretty much the gist of it. Now you might notice that there are a lot of other functionality in here, such as this section here where you can insert HTML before every page or post, which you can see here. And this is what is added after every page and post, which you can see here. This is the code and text for our title page. This is the HTML code for the final page. This here is our header, which we see here, and our subtitle, which is here. Now there's a few other features. Probably one of the most important features, which you may have already noticed up here in some of this text, such as this, we have shortcodes, which is a list of all these different pieces of information that you can copy and paste from down here into any piece, any text field that you find up here. And these little pieces will be replaced with the appropriate information, such as in this case we would be posting the post date and formatting it based on these characters here, which we can see right here. That is the post date formatting. And for post date, more specific post date formatting, you can follow this link right here. Let's see, another feature of this page is convert videos to links. If you have videos in your pages and posts, obviously they're not going to work in a PDF, so this option will attempt to convert those into a simple link to the page. We can also turn off automatic page breaks, which will cause the PDF to not put page breaks between your table and between your pages and posts. We can not include the table of contents. We can choose to include images that might be in your pages and posts. Now these other two options are for other plugins. If you happen to have other plugins that are manipulating the content of your pages and posts either through shortcodes or through filters, you might want to check these so that those plugins have the opportunity to run their code on your content before it's compiled into the final PDF. Or, as we can see here, you can also create HTML or text files. As we see here, we have a nice little PDF or HTML version of the PDF file that we would have created. Okay, so I think that is pretty much the gist of it. If you need help, I have this gigantic help menu up here, or you can go to my website, which has some links down in here to blog posts teaching you how to do some more advanced things with this plugin. And the final little feature that I'm going to show you is basically just a little convenience feature. If you come over here into your appearance menu and you go to menus, you will see that I added for you a little PDF creation station box that contains all of your PDF, HTML, and TXT files that you may have added using this plugin. And you can simply add them to whatever menu you like. Easy peasy. So I think that that is just about it for the tool page. If you are looking for the functionality where you can add a single page or post PDF to every page or post, that feature is over here in your settings menu / PDF creation station, and that is shown in a different video. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for using Kalin's PDF creation station, and I hope it helps you out very much with your website. Good night.